All right, so today we got a package, people. Today we're gonna be looking at this mini tripod by Moman, and it's a very versatile tripod. You can attach things to it. It has straps, you can strap it to things, you can screw things onto it. It has 3/8 and a quarter mounting options, so it's pretty versatile, and I'm excited to open this up. So stick around because we're gonna be looking at this tripod today. All right, let's get this party started. Here we have the Moman TR1 mini tripod, and let's take a look at what's in the box here. You get 3 straps, and I'll talk about what those straps are for later, because I was confused too when I first saw this product. And then this is the mini tripod, and it feels really nice in the hand. Actually, Moman sent me this to review. In fact, they sent me this monopod here to review a little while ago, and I told them, hey, you know what? I actually have your TR1 mini tripod in my Amazon shopping cart, and if you want me to review that too, hey, I'm totally game for that. And they sent this along, and I was actually planning on buying this because I'm using a Manfrotto mini tripod, and let me pull that out here. This is the Manfrotto, and the little rubber bits at the bottom came off, and I find they scratch up my desk. This tripod scratches up my desk, so I'm not too happy with it. And I've had this for 8-9 years, and it is the 709B, and it's a nice little mini tripod, but it was time to get an upgrade. So I was looking at this, and this is pretty cool. I'm really excited about this product. I think it's awesome. First, let's start off with what's important to me, and if you look at the feet here, they're actually rubber all the way around. So no matter what position you put this little mini tripod in, the rubber feet are always in contact with the desk surface, and there's going to be no scratching. The other cool thing about this mini tripod is it holds 176 pounds. So I'm a little over 176 pounds. I was thinking of stepping on it for a test, but I'd probably exceed the maximum weight limit. But you have 2 height positions with this, which is pretty cool. So this is the standard height, and you have a ring here, this red ring. So if you rotate the ring, you can actually lower this down to desk level, which is pretty cool. And the nice thing about this is, again, the rubber feet wrap all the way around. So no matter what, the feet are always in contact with the desk surface. So you're not gonna scratch the desk surface, but also, you know, it prevents you from slipping and sliding too, which is really nice. So that is nice. That is really nice. And the construction, you know, there's no wobble, no shake. It's pretty solid. So if you check out the legs of this tripod, you'll notice that there's slits in the legs. And these slits, what those are for is the straps. So basically what you do is you put the strap through the leg, and then you strap it around whatever it is you want to strap it to, and then you run the strap through these little clips. You tighten the clip, and then you can strap this thing to whatever you want. You can strap it to a tree, you can strap it to a desk, you can strap it to a pole. So it's kind of interesting because you can literally strap, if you want to climb up and strap your camera to a light pole somewhere on the street and get a nice, I guess, panoramic shot or a time lapse of the street from a high angle, you can do that with this. So I thought that was pretty cool, because when I first saw this, I didn't know what the holes were for and what the straps were for. And yeah, I think that's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna go and strap this to some stuff and see how it works. All right, also in the legs, you see these round holes, and these are actually screw mounts. They're threaded, so I can take my old mini tripod and I can attach it to the Moman TR1, and I can create some modern art. This is a modern art piece right here. Let's put it in a museum. You can angle it and tilt it, do whatever you want. Actually, no, I'm being silly here. But what you can do is, if you have these arms, these super clamp arms, you can attach them to the tripod So here's an example of what you can do. You can mount your phone onto the base of the tripod, and then you can attach one of these super clamp arms onto the side, and you can put a light up here, you can put a microphone up here, whatever you want. So it's pretty versatile in that sense. And then, you can adjust it and do it however you want. And each one of the legs on this tripod has 2 screw mounts. So you have 6 screw mounts in total and 6 strap mounts in total, which is pretty cool, right? Like when you think of a mini tripod, you think of just 3 legs and a mount, right? And this gives you so many more options, which is really awesome. So thank you to Moman for designing something like this. I think this is really cool, and I'd like to see this kind of innovation. This is really awesome. All right, and at the top of the tripod, you'll notice there's a 1/4 inch screw mount thread. And if you push that down, you have a 3/8 screw thread. So you have 2 different options for mounting there, which is pretty cool. I like that. I wish Moman did that on their monopod. That would have been really nice as well. All right, and this mini tripod is the TR1 model, and it's pretty cool. I'm really happy with it so far. Build quality seems great. And this is what you get. You get the 3 straps and the tripod. Now, there's also a TR1C model, which comes with a ball head. Now, this isn't a Moman ball head. This is another company here. But if you were to order the TR1C, you'd probably get something like this. And then what you can do is mount your camera on the top, and you can angle it whichever direction you want. Now, I didn't want the TR1C because I have a ball head. But if you don't have a ball head and you want that versatility, go for the TR1C. Now overall, I have no complaints about this mini tripod. I think it's incredible. And for the price point, it's fantastic. You get a pretty versatile tripod that you could mount with straps to whatever you want, and you can screw things to the legs. So if you need a tripod with a light and a camera, or a light and a mic and a camera, or a reflector and maybe a second light, I mean, you have 6 points where you can mount things onto this tripod. And it's nice because if you have a setup on your desk, and I like doing tutorial videos where I have my camera mounted on my desk and it's looking at me, and then if you have a light, then you need another tripod or another stand for that, and then if you have a mic, you need something else for that. But with this, you can kind of attach everything to one base, which is pretty cool. But if there's one thing I could complain about, it would be this. Let me just screw this in here. All right, so let's say you have this set up and you have your camera here, you have a mic here, and it's on your desk, and you want to move it and you go to lift it, the leg just completely just collapses. So if your mic's delicate, or it's got a plastic mounting bit or something, and it falls under its own weight, it could snap and fall off. So this is the one complaint I have about this mini tripod. It would be cool, and I think it would be easy to solve if there was some kind of screw mount underneath. So once you have your legs positioned where you want, you tighten in the screw, and then the legs are just tight. They're in position and they're not going to move. And I think that would make it a little more sturdy, especially when you're picking up your setup and moving it. That's my only complaint. Other than that, I really love this product. I think it is fantastic. And for those of you who are interested in using this mini tripod as a handle for a vlogging camera with a mirrorless system, it's pretty good. I wouldn't say it's uncomfortable. It's not, grippy comfortable, but it's definitely usable. So if you want to use it for vlogging, you can use it for vlogging. Then you can strap this onto a tree branch or something, and then videotape yourself at a campfire or whatever it is that you vlog about. But it definitely is usable as a vlogging handle for your camera. All right. Okay, so who is this mini tripod for? Well, it's for professionals and for amateurs alike. Honestly, it can support a lot of weight. It's versatile. It has a lot of mounting options. It has straps. The build quality is great. It's got 2 different height adjustments. So in terms of its capability, I think it's pretty awesome. Functionality, great. I think, anybody at any level would probably enjoy a little monopod like this because of what it can do, especially if you're out and about and you need to mount your camera to different things in different situations. I think it's super handy. So that is my review on the Moman TR1 mini tripod. I definitely give it a thumbs up for build quality, for price, for versatility and functionality. It's a winner. All right, and that's the end of this review. If you want to see more reviews and more things, here's my Twitter, here's my Instagram. I post a lot of stuff there. And also I'll be doing a lot more gear reviews on this channel. So I'll be looking at equipment, cameras, lenses, that kind of stuff. So if you're into that kind of thing, definitely subscribe to the channel. I'm also going to be doing a lot of tutorials on Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere Pro. So if you want to learn, definitely subscribe to the channel because we got some cool things coming out in 2021. And that is it. That's the end of this video. Peace out. Thank you for watching. Stay creative, and I will see you in the next video.